Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm talking about cryptocurrency tokens which is newly launched on the Solana based blockchains. Right now it is currently at 164,000 of market cap. As you can see, it is on Solana based blockchain. SolGenAI, it is the name of the token, and currently it is trending on number 14. You can see, and it just launched 3 hours 49 minutes ago. Let's just check a little bit more. Let's come to the website. It's loading. Join the AI and blockchain revolution with Solana's. It is Solana based blockchains. As you can see, many of the cryptocurrency tokens on AI based blockchains. Majority of the tokens released on the launched on the Ethereum blockchain. But if you can see that the gas fees are really very much disgusting, that no one is so much more interested to pay the gas fees to buy that tokens on that Ethereum based blockchain. And this Solana based blockchains is its it, its gas fees is extremely cheap, extremely less than $1. So I think this can go anytime moon. Let me just show you. You can see this YouTube channel also. You can check the brief details, all the things whatever you want to check. Let me just show you what this can do. What is this utility? It can generate text to image, it can generate text to video, text to music, text to 3D. I mean, image, video, music, audio, 3D, website, game. I mean, just give any command, they can do. It is really very great. And let me just check available on trending on Dex Screener, Solana, and soon Pixel. Centralized exchanges they are planning to list on Coinbase, Binance. So they are planning to list on these big exchanges, tier 1, the biggest of the biggest exchanges, Coinbase and Binance. If it happens, the 100 million is nothing for these centralized exchanges listings. As you can see, the Coinbase app, the big exchanges, tier 1 exchanges, whenever any tokens list on this exchange, it goes very huge, 100 million, 500 million, 1 billion, more than that. It have the potential to send this. So you should better check out and do your own research. I just explain on the short. Now the many big YouTubers and influencers will catch this super early and try to buy these tokens, and they have so much huge of the community in their Telegram group, premium group, which have the lots and lots of money. They can easily make the whale pumps and tell them to buy. And if you are watching this at 164k market cap, it will not be getting that price tomorrow maybe, or just right after the 1 week, because it is super cheap. I haven't seen a AI tokens which is less than 200k market cap. I have bought hundred and thousands of tokens. I have bought. Why? Because AI is very hot right now, and if you will check this current supply, it is maximum 1 billion. Let's just check a little bit. Twitter handle, it is available on YouTube, Twitter, and they have their website. What they are planning to do, half of the developer wallet will be burned, so the tokens will be going to burn and the demand for the supply will increase increase super fast. We are pleased to announce that we have applied for listing on CoinMarketCap. They have applied and paid to list these on CoinMarketCap. If it lists on CoinMarketCap, it will show you on the trending lists, and that will attract thousands and thousands of potential holders and buyers, and it will go anytime 10 million, 100 million, maybe 1 billion, because Coinbase and Binance is not a small thing, it is a huge thing. So I have buy this super cheap and super early, and I am ready to take the 100% risk tolerance. If my prediction goes wrong, I'll my total investment will be gone to zero. So if you can handle, if you can tolerate that risk, then invest. I do not suggest you to buy this. Please do your own research before buy. So this is it for today's. How did you like the video? Please tell on the comment sections and like the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, keep hustling.